Myself, Subhash Patil. This is the report containing on internship which we have carried out during semester and introduction. The purpose of an internship is to provide real world experience that enable you to put everything we have learning into action. An internship can help to the gain skill that can be applied to future job. Internship may be paid or unpaid. The and they tends to list about the length of the college's semester of the summer break. The major focus of the internship is on learning professional skill, abilities and activities practices in reality of human services. Company profile: name of the company SPM Control, establishment year 1994, location Ashok, opposite Ashok Iron Works, plant 1, Udyambag. Nature of ownership: partnership firms. Managing partners: Mr. Lakshman Sawant, Mr. Sanjay Chauhan. The SPM controls the following products: extrusion presses, conveyor belts, four filler press, stretchers, hydraulic press, C-frame type press, pullers. Working department: there is the sales and marketing, purchase department, production department, store department, quality department and account department, design and draft department, planning department, material management department and human resource department. Sales and marketing: market is one of the most dynamic activities of the frame marketing. Emphasis on quality, values, customer satisfaction and relationship building along with ethical marketing behaviors. Marketing department is the main department in SPM control. Both marketing and sales department are margent. All the pre-sales activities are hardened by the section. And purchase department: the purchase department is responsible directly for the purchasement of material like raw material, internal department requirement and statements of packing material, size, stock verifications, qualities, requirement of department, placing order against the requirements, quotations, rates, quality, deliveries and quality of the material purchase. And store department: store assist of all function department, is basically all about dealers, rates, meetings, machineries, discussion and decision take depending on the store department. The function of store: receiving and issuing okay component and hardware, storing of components in raw and wooden pallet location wise, materials as per intent of shop. Production department: in any manufacturing or production department is the most important of all. The running of the department ensures the delivery of the products of the customer. Production department has a well planned and equipped manufacturing setup where every is infrastructure is available. Production and SPM controls: process includes tasks such as material cutting, welding, machineries, activities, super finishing, sub assemblies, and assembly of hydraulic cylinder, power pack with exact machining facilities to achieve accuracy of product. This is a process chart. Process chart have design department, raw material content to arts fabrication, light machine shop, heavy machine shop, then quality instrument, assemblies, planting, testing, packing, dispatch. Process: fabrication. Material fabrication is the creation of metal structure by cutting, bending, assembly process. It is a value added process involving the creation of machines part and structure for various material. Welding is a fabrications or fabrication process that joins material, usually metals or thermoplastics, by using high heat to melt the part together and allowing them to cool cooking machine. There is a different welding process carried out SPM control, arc welding, CO2 or MIG weldings. The figure showing arc weldings cutting. This is an important operation in producing sheets to size, removing waste material, making weld joints, reparations, and removing defects. Cutting can be carried out using number of technicals such as mechanical, hydraulic, and thermal. Two types of gas cutting machine used in semi-automatic and manual hand cutter torch. Pipe bending. Pipe bending is a process. We first feed the machine wise and then hit it at the corner and then bend according to the requirement. This figure shows lathe. A lathe is a machine tool that rotates a workpiece about an axis of rotation to perform various operations such as cutting, sanding, knurling, pacing, turning, drilling, which tools that are applied to the workpiece to create an object with symmetry about the axis. Milling. Milling machine is a device that rotates a circular tool that has number of cutting edges symmetrically arranged about its axis. The workpiece is commonly held to vise or summer vise clamp to table that can be moved three perpendicular direction. The figure shows the milling machines. The list of valuable customers in SPAM controls number of customers, year of the channel, press capacity and type press, Quebec Tubing Limited, Indofab Engineers, and many more. Learning customer technical, get to know how the section works by the use of machines, mechanical part, components to uses in each process. Apply the knowledge learning in classrooms. How to handle big part in case. Get to know how things web capacities and arrange the different section according to part, non-technique, communication and time management. Thank you.